Imagine flying from New York to London in half the time it takes today. Picture yourself sipping coffee as the sun rises over the Atlantic, knowing you'll land in London before most people have finished breakfast. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a vision that's closer than ever to becoming reality. The United States is investing over $600 million to revive supersonic passenger flight, a dream many thought was gone for good. This massive bet is more than just a financial commitment. It's a statement that the future of air travel can be faster, smarter, and more connected. This isn't just nostalgia, it's a bold push for a new era of speed, with NASA, Lockheed Martin, and startups like Boom Supersonic teaming up. These organizations are pooling their expertise, resources, and creativity to tackle challenges that once seemed insurmountable. Their mission, build jets that break the sound barrier, without the deafening sonic boom that got supersonic flight banned over land. The focus is on innovation, using cutting-edge technology to make supersonic travel not just possible, but practical for everyday use. The goal is to make high-speed travel practical, affordable, and quiet enough to reconnect the world. Imagine families reuniting more often, businesses expanding globally, and cultures blending as never before. Engineers are using advanced materials and powerful computers to solve problems that grounded the Concorde. Lighter, stronger composites and sophisticated simulations are helping design jets that are safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. These new jets are already taking test flights, looking more like something out of a sci-fi movie than a traditional airliner. Each prototype brings us closer to a world where crossing continents in a few hours is routine. Each flight brings us closer to a future where supersonic travel is an everyday reality. The excitement in the industry is palpable, as every successful test marks a leap forward for aviation. The $600 million is just the beginning, a seed for an industry that could redefine distance and time. As more companies and governments join in, the pace of innovation is only accelerating. This is about more than speed, it's about opening new possibilities for business and leisure. Supersonic travel could change how we think about work, relationships, and even where we call home. The excitement is real, and the engines are warming up for a new era of flight. Aviation enthusiasts, engineers, and travelers alike are watching closely as history is made. Supersonic travel is no longer a fantasy, it's on the runway. The countdown to a new age of flight has already begun, and the world is ready for takeoff. The race for the skies is back, and it's faster than ever. The next chapter in aviation history is being written right now, and it promises to be the most thrilling yet. Supersonic means flying faster than the speed of sound, about 767 miles per hour at sea level, or Mach 1. Most jets today cruise below that, at around Mach 0.8. When a plane goes supersonic, it outruns its own sound waves, creating a shock wave, a sonic boom. That boom is like a thunderclap, powerful enough to rattle windows and shake buildings. The Concorde could fly at Mach 2, but its loud boom kept it restricted to ocean routes. The challenge now: fly fast without the noise. Engineers are reshaping jets to turn that explosive boom into a soft thump. By carefully designing the nose, wings, and body, they can spread out the shock waves. The dream is a quiet supersonic jet that regulators will allow over land. If they succeed, high-speed travel could connect cities across the globe. The future of flight depends on making speed silent. NASA's X-59 Quest jet is leading the charge for quiet supersonic flight, representing a bold step forward in aviation technology. This experimental aircraft is at the forefront of efforts to make supersonic travel over land possible once again, but this time without the disruptive noise that once grounded such flights. Built in partnership with Lockheed Martin, the X-59 is a cutting-edge research plane designed to transform the traditional sonic boom into a much softer, sonic thump. Its unique shape and advanced engineering are specifically tailored to minimize noise, making it a potential game-changer for the future of flight. NASA plans to fly the X-59 over actual communities, gathering real-world feedback from residents about the sound it produces. This data will be crucial in understanding how people react to the new, quieter supersonic experience. The information collected could help convince aviation regulators to reconsider and potentially lift the decades-old ban on supersonic flight over land, opening the door to faster travel between cities. Meanwhile, Boom Supersonic is developing the Overture, a sleek commercial jet designed to reach speeds of Mach 1.7. This aircraft aims to bring supersonic travel to the masses, promising to cut flight times dramatically. Their XB-1 demonstrator recently broke the sound barrier, proving that their innovative technology is not just theoretical, but works in real-world conditions. Overture is designed to carry between 64 and 80 passengers in comfort and style, and major airlines have already placed significant orders, signaling strong industry confidence. Boom's state-of-the-art factory in North Carolina is ramping up for production, with teams working tirelessly to bring these jets to life and prepare for the next era of commercial aviation. The plan is to start with transoceanic routes where noise restrictions are less strict and the benefits of speed are greatest, then gradually expand to more routes as the quiet supersonic technology is proven and accepted by regulators and the public. NASA's X-59 could unlock a whole new market for high-speed travel, making cross-country and even intercontinental trips much faster than ever before. And Boom is ready to deliver these next-generation jets to airlines around the world, ushering in a new era of flight. The partnership between public agencies like NASA and private innovators such as Boom Supersonic is accelerating progress, blending research, engineering, and business expertise. Supersonic travel is moving from experiment to reality, with each milestone bringing us closer to a world where high-speed flight is accessible to more people. The next generation of flight is almost here, promising to change how we connect across the globe and experience the world. The Concorde was iconic, a marvel of its era, but it was also expensive, incredibly noisy, and accessible only to the wealthy elite. Its sonic booms rattled communities, and its high ticket prices kept most people grounded. Today's supersonic jets are built with advanced lightweight composites like carbon fiber and titanium. These materials make the aircraft not only stronger and lighter, but also far more fuel efficient, allowing for longer ranges and lower emissions. This leap in efficiency means lower operating costs and for the first time, the possibility of more affordable tickets, aiming for business-class prices, not just luxury fares. Supersonic travel could soon be within reach for many more people. Noise is being tackled head-on, with quieter engines and advanced aerodynamic designs to minimize disruption. Engineers are working to ensure that supersonic jets can operate near cities without disturbing neighborhoods. Boom's Overture, for example, promises takeoff noise as quiet as today's subsonic jets, making it a better neighbor for airports and communities. Sustainability is now a top priority. These next-generation jets are designed to run on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, reducing their environmental impact from day one. This fuel, made from renewable sources like plant waste and algae, slashes the carbon footprint of flying, helping aviation move toward a greener future. The new generation is about more than just speed. It's about efficiency, responsibility, and reimagining what flight can be for the planet and its people. Lessons learned from the Concorde have shaped every aspect of these new designs, from materials to noise control to passenger comfort. The goal is clear: make supersonic travel accessible, sustainable, and neighbor-friendly, so it can benefit more people and communities. The technology is smarter, the environmental impact is smaller, and the vision for the future is bigger than ever before. Supersonic flight is being reinvented for the modern world, with innovation at every step, from design to daily operation. The future of flight isn't just faster, it's cleaner, quieter, and more considerate of the world below. This time, Supersonic is built to last, ushering in a new era of travel for everyone. In the 1960s and 70s, sonic booms from test flights sparked public outrage, cracked windows, rattled nerves, and thousands of complaints. The FAA responded in 1973 by banning civil supersonic flight over land. The Concorde was forced to slow down over land, limiting its routes and appeal. Supersonic travel became a niche, not a revolution. NASA's X-59 is changing the game, not by removing the ban, but by making the boom irrelevant. New designs reshape shockwaves, turning a jarring boom into a gentle thump. If the public and regulators accept this quieter sound, the rules could change. The skies over land could finally open to a new era of speed. The key to the future is making supersonic flight socially acceptable. The new supersonic era is powered by breakthroughs in materials and digital design. Carbon fiber composites make jets lighter, stronger, and more heat-resistant. Supercomputers allow engineers to test and refine designs virtually, optimizing for speed and quiet. Boom's Overture Superfactory in North Carolina is set to mass-produce these advanced jets. Real airline orders show the demand for faster premium travel. Sustainability is central. Boom is committed to 100% sustainable aviation fuel. Their new Symphony engine is optimized for clean fuel, pushing the industry forward. The combination of advanced materials, digital tools, and green ambition sets this project apart. Supersonic travel is no longer just a dream, it's a business plan. The future of flight is being built right now. Boom's XB-1 and NASA's X-59 have made history, but the journey isn't over. The X-59's community tests will determine if quiet supersonic flight is ready for prime time. Boom must scale up from prototype to full production, aiming for commercial service by decade's end. The big question, can these jets succeed where Concorde failed, in a world changed by remote work and new travel habits? The answer depends on keeping costs down and making speed affordable. We're on the brink of a second supersonic age, smarter, cleaner, and quieter. The next few years will decide if the dream becomes reality. If all goes well, the sonic boom will be replaced by a quiet thump, and a flight across the ocean could feel like a short commute. The future of flight is fast approaching.